Hello, fellow travelers and train enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most iconic railway routes around the world. Today, we're hopping aboard one of the most scenic and historic trains in the United States, the Texas Eagle. This remarkable train journey runs from Chicago to San Antonio, offering not just a comfortable ride but a deep dive into America's heartland. But, did you know there are some lesser-known facts about the Texas Eagle that might surprise you? Let's get started. The Texas Eagle is part of Amtrak's national network and is a long-haul train that stretches over 1,300 miles, connecting two major cities, Chicago and San Antonio. But what makes this journey unique? Let's dive into some fascinating facts about the Texas Eagle. The Texas Eagle's unique route. First up, did you know that the Texas Eagle actually travels through some of the most diverse landscapes in the U.S.? As it departs Chicago, the train crosses the Great Plains, heading into the rolling hills and flatlands of Missouri, Arkansas, and Texas. Along the way, the route traverses a variety of ecosystems, from vibrant forests to arid deserts, offering passengers stunning views from the comfort of their windows. One of the most iconic moments on the Texas Eagle is crossing the Mississippi River near St. Louis. This impressive stretch is not just about the views, it's a symbolic crossing into the southern U.S., a region rich in history and culture, the Texas Eagle's legacy. But here's a fun fact: the Texas Eagle has roots that go back much further than you might think. It traces its lineage to the early 20th century when the route was initially operated by the Missouri Pacific Railroad. Known then as the Eagle train, it was a luxury service, offering first-class accommodations and gourmet meals to its passengers. Today, Amtrak has preserved that sense of comfort, though with a modern touch. Historical significance of the Texas Eagle. The Texas Eagle isn't just a train ride, it's a journey through history. One of the most significant stops is San Antonio, home to the Alamo, the site of one of the most famous battles in American history. The city is a vibrant blend of cultures, and the Texas Eagle gives you direct access to all its wonders. But here's an unknown tidbit: the Texas Eagle is one of the few routes that connects the Midwest directly to the Southwest without any significant detours, making it a crucial link in the broader American railway system. The Texas Eagle's special features. Did you know that the Texas Eagle has some features that are rare on other Amtrak trains? For example, passengers on the Texas Eagle can enjoy a special sightseer lounge car, where you can enjoy panoramic views of the landscape through large windows. And if you're looking to relax, the train offers a variety of comfortable accommodations, from cozy coach seats to sleeping cars equipped with everything you need for a peaceful overnight journey. Unknown facts about the Texas Eagle. Now, let's dive into some of the lesser-known facts about the Texas Eagle. For starters, did you know the Texas Eagle is actually part of a larger route that extends all the way to Los Angeles? It's known as the Sunset Limited, and the two trains are connected, meaning you can travel across the entire southern U.S. from Chicago to the Pacific Coast on a single journey. And here's another fun fact: the Texas Eagle route is famous for one thing: its food. Amtrak has partnered with local chefs to create meals that reflect the culinary traditions of the places it passes through. Whether it's Texas barbecue or St. Louis ribs, each meal is a taste of the region's flavors. The Texas Eagle's unlikely role during major events. Did you know that the Texas Eagle has played an unexpected role during major events in American history? In the 1960s, during the Civil Rights Movement, this train served as a critical link for activists traveling between major cities, including San Antonio and Chicago. Its route offered a safe and reliable means of transport during a time when many public transport systems were segregated. The Texas Eagle became a symbol of unity during a very tumultuous period in the nation's history. Rarely seen tracks and a hidden layover. Here's a fascinating tidbit. The Texas Eagle passes through some of the most remote and rarely seen parts of the U.S. For instance, the route includes a layover in the small town of Longview, Texas. It's a quiet stop, but it's one of the few times during the journey when passengers can stretch their legs in a place that feels almost frozen in time. It's a snapshot of rural America, often overlooked, yet integral to the train's journey. The Texas Eagle's secret tunnel. Not many passengers know that the Texas Eagle travels through a secretive and sometimes eerie tunnel under the Missouri River. It's an engineering marvel, as the tunnel was designed not only to carry trains but also to withstand potential flooding from the river. While it's hidden in plain sight, the tunnel has become a quiet but crucial part of the Eagle's journey, making it possible for the train to continue its route regardless of the weather. The Texas Eagle and the national parks. While the Texas Eagle is well known for its connection between Chicago and San Antonio, few know that it also offers a unique way to access some of America's most stunning national parks. Passengers traveling from Chicago can easily access the Ozark National Forest in Arkansas, a gorgeous park known for its hiking trails and untouched beauty. You can even hop off in Little Rock and take a short drive to the Hot Springs National Park, famous for its historic bathhouses and natural hot springs. The Texas Eagle's double duty. An interesting aspect of the Texas Eagle is that it actually serves a double duty. While it's a long-distance sleeper train, it also operates as a regional day train for local commuters in some areas, especially near St. Louis and Austin. This makes it a vital transportation option for people traveling short distances while also providing a luxury experience for those crossing states. The Texas Eagle and its seasonal adjustments. Depending on the time of year, the Texas Eagle can look quite different. During the winter months, parts of the route, especially in northern Missouri and southern Illinois, are prone to heavy snowfall. This means the Texas Eagle undergoes some seasonal adjustments to keep things running smoothly, with extra maintenance and occasionally even shorter stops to handle the snow. But in summer, the train becomes the ultimate way to experience the open plains, where vast fields of wildflowers bloom. These lesser-known facts only add to the allure of the Texas Eagle. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just someone looking for a relaxing journey across the American landscape, this iconic train has something special to offer everyone. Let me know if you'd like any of these expanded further or have additional aspects you want to explore. So, whether you're taking the Texas Eagle for a scenic getaway or as a way to explore America's deep history and culture, this iconic train offers much more than just a ride. With its rich legacy, breathtaking views, and hidden gems, the Texas Eagle truly captures the essence of the American South and Midwest. While we've covered some of the major features and history of the Texas Eagle, there are still some hidden facts that even many frequent riders might not know. Let's dive deeper. Thanks for joining us on this journey today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hidden facts about the world's most famous railroads. See you on the tracks.